HTX cryptocurrency exchange, formerly known as Huobi. This is one of the largest global cryptocurrency exchanges by trading volume, with over 700 coins, 350 plus perpetual futures markets, and leverage up to 200x, right? So the platform offers deep liquidity, competitive fees, and a strong compliant global footprint across Asia, MENA, and emerging markets as well. So HTX is kind of a platform that got rebranded from Huobi in 2023. It's a Shells global-based cryptocurrency exchange founded all the way back in 2013. One of China's big three exchanges. It used to be, right now operating internationally with a footprint in Asia, Latin America, Middle East, Africa, and parts of Europe, focusing on spot trading, on derivatives, with up to 200x on perpetual futures, staking, and earn products also available, margin trading, copy trading, OTC and P2P trading, pretty much built for intermediate and advanced traders who want to scale and have altcoin diversity. So if you want to get started with HTX, check out the link in the description. In some regions, this is restricted, like in the US, in the United Kingdom, derivatives aren't allowed in Canada and most provinces, in Singapore, China, Japan, and sanctioned jurisdictions. Some people would like to use these platforms using VPNs, etc. But in 2025, there was a FCA lawsuit, major concern for UK and EU users. It was sued by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority for unlawful promotions and regulatory breaches. Key issues being operating in the UK without proper authorization, promoting derivatives illegally, and failure to meet required consumer protection standards. If you're in the EU, maybe this is not the best platform to use, I guess. KYC requirements, no KYC, minimal access, right? You can do spot trading, you can do low volume withdrawals up to 5 BTC. And basic futures access as well. Full KYC required for large withdrawals and deposits, fiat on ramps, HTX and features, OTC sort of trading or VIP levels, right? So if you're looking at just the platform's features, very interesting. Spot trading, like I said, 700 plus cryptocurrencies, 800 plus major trading pairs, massive altcoin catalog there, deep liquidity on major pairs, fast execution, low fees. Futures trading, just it's fascinating. 350 plus perpetual contracts, amazing. 200 plus x leverage, cross margin, isolated margin, strong matching engine, solid liquidity across especially the major pairs like BTC, ETH, Sol, Doge, XRP. While not as kind of refined as Bybit, maybe KuCoin or Hyperliquid, very active when it comes to futures traders. The staking, the earn products, and the DeFi part of it is quite interesting. Also, flexible savings, locked staking, dual investment strategy, vaults, all available. Yields are competitive when it comes to margin trading, up to 5x leverage on spot. Available on major pairs, lower risk for futures than futures for new traders. Of course, in copy trading, also very good here. Performance metrics based, trader leaderboards and auto replication strategies available. When it comes to the fees, which is what a lot of traders are looking at, right? Regular fees on the maker and taker. Fees 0.2, VIP 0.02 on the maker, 0.06 on the taker, and USDT perps 0.02% on the maker, 0.06 on the maker. Taker fees competitive, kind of if you look at it compared to Binance, Bybit or MEXC. Fiat fees obviously varying depending on regions that are supported. Obviously poor fiat on off ramps in some areas, of course. But all kinds of tokens are available here. AI tokens, GameFi, DeFi, meme coins, layer ones, security and transparency, cold wallet storage. That's what they say. Anti-phishing tools also available. They have had some security incidents, hacks on the Hacker chain, for example, 100 million exploit in 2023. Ongoing scrutiny about proof of reserves accuracy, and also controversy around the ownership structure. But great user experience on desktop and mobile. They've got a customer support line also on email or live chat. And yeah, that's some of the users do say that they have experienced delays in withdrawals or slow ticket responses, difficult with resolving compliance issues sometimes as well. So just check out the link down below so you can see the comparison with HTX and other competitors, HTX and MEXC, HTX and KSEX. For example, we gave it a 7.6 out of 10 based on some of the best things about HTX, which is it's really ideal for altcoin traders, futures traders, users wanting optional KYC. And also not ideal if you're in the UK or EU, traders who want top tier security because of the past incidents as well. Institutional investors may not be leaning towards this because of the heavy scrutiny from some regulators in other places. But HTX has been around for a long time. Go check out the link is down below and get started if you want to.